Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. And today I'm going to be telling you about Rachel the jewelry maker. Now Rachel wants to have a small sale on her Etsy shop on the last day of the month once every 3 months. Now how does she find these dates quickly? Let's use the EOMONTH function to see if we can help her out. Okay, so we have 4 columns here, one showing the first sale date, the second sale date, third sale date, and fourth sale date. Now what this does is it gives us a timeline of the information we're trying to find. Now Rachel already knows that the first sale that she did was on 2/28/2019. That's something that she's already done, that's already been in place, but she needs to find out the month 3 months from now and what the end of month date is. So what we're going to use is the EO or end of month function. Since we already have this date in place, we already have the information that we need. We're going to find the second sale date first. Since we already have the first date sale, we'll select B2 to go into the second sale date column. Type in EOM, that'll bring up end up month, and then you need the start date and months. So the start date is going to be this 2/28/19. That's the first sale date. That is the date that we need to know what is 3 months from that date. So that's our start date, and then we'll select comma, and then 3. We're going to type in 3 because we need to know what is the date 3 months from this start date. So 3, then parenthesis to close out the function, and type in enter. Now we clearly have 5/21/2019. That is the last day 3 months from the last sale that we had. You can see here, this is actually a breakdown of the function that I just wrote out. This is the one that I just wrote, and this is the one that we're going to use for the third sale date, and the one that we're going to use for the fourth sale date. What these are doing is actually selecting just the date before. So we're not going to continue selecting the first sale date, because now we actually need to know the third sale date. The third sale date is going to be 3 months after the second sale date. So it again would be selecting the date just before, and then typing 3 because we need to know 3 months out, and then typing the parenthesis and close. So enter, and that gives us that 8/31/2019 is going to be the third sale date, because that's 3 months out after the second sale date. Now again, last one, this is just end of month, the third sale date, 3 months, and close. So now, really quickly, Rachel has 3 of the dates for her next 3 sales that are properly spaced out according to the parameters that she set. Now you can see it's not just that it's exactly 3 months out, it does take into consideration that this is going to be a 31st date, this is going to be a 31st date, and then the fourth sale date is actually going to be on a 30th day. So that's actually taken into consideration as well. It's not just that it takes exactly 3 months or 90 days after the first sale date or whatever date you select. It's that it is actually the end of the month, the last day of the month, 3 months after the date that we selected, or however many, whatever the number is that you select. In this case, it's 3, so it's exactly 3 months after the last month. And so that gives us a very clear idea of the days that are at the end of the months, 3 months out, for the next 3 sales that Rachel is going to have. Now this is such a simple process that Rachel is going to be able to see the sale dates for an entire year out with only just a couple of minutes of time spent on laying out the function. Now that she has all of that done, she can actually focus in on the sales and what she's going to do for her Etsy shop in terms of what items will go on sale. If you have any questions about this process, please leave a comment in the section below, and until next time, have fun excelling!